Hello guys, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro. In this video I'm going to share my point of view about how we can use the technology as an English teacher. Also I'm going to discuss how the technology can be used to reflect on and present the practicum experience live, highlight also the importance of connecting real world experiences with technology projects. So first of all, we need to keep in mind that using the technology as a tool to reflect on a present practical experience is essential to deepen learning, also facilitate the communication of ideas. For example, when the people is living in another countries and the teacher is living, for example, the teacher is living in Bogota and the students are living in Medellin. Also, the facilities of the communication of ideas and the communication in real sharing the ideas through a video, also and connect real world experiences with technological projects. The first of all is digital documentation of experiences. For example, we can use blogs or digital journals. At this time, the students or teacher can write reflection, ideas, point of view on a platform such as WordPress, Medium, or Google Sites. These tools allow them to add text, images, and videos to document what they are experiencing. Also, using the technology, the teacher can create presentation projects, infographics, slides, and for example, using those tools such as Canva, Genially, to create visual presentation that summarize learning and challenges faced. Also, interactive presentation. For example, software such as Prezi or PowerPoint allows you to create narrative that connect theory and practice with a structured visualization and narrative. Also, introducing the technology for collaborative works or homeworks. Also, the teacher can use, for example, Google Classroom. Another platform can be used spaces to share and discuss experiences live in practice, encouraging collective learning. For example, mind and conceptual maps, tools such as Miro, MindMeister help to organize the ideas and connecting practical experience, and also to connecting with the community. Technological project based on real experience can have a direct positive impact on the society, strengthening the link between learning and social actions. Also, at this moment, we can use all those kind of websites or a platform to, for example, provide all the information about a topic. For example, in my case, I use Teams or Zoom to create my classes as an English teacher. And for example, I can use also PowerPoint to create the slides about whatever topic. For example, my favorite topic is present continuous, so I can use to connect Zoom or Teams to create a link to send this link to my student. I connect with the student to the classes, to the English classes, and also I'm using another platform that is PowerPoint to share all the information about that topic. And also is easier. It's easier for the teacher and for the student use those kind of virtual platform to learn. In example, the student is easier to learn whatever topic, because here in the UNAD we also use a lot of websites and, for example, Google to investigate our topics. But also it's easier to the teacher to share that knowledge and provide that knowledge to the student and create new ideas for the students. This is my point of view about the technological resources that we can use as an English teacher, but also we can use those kind of platform to the student to share all the knowledge and teach every day in every time.